Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jimdo to create a web page or website. First, visit the Jimdo website and sign up for an account. This straightforward process gets you started quickly. Once registered, explore the various templates available to find one that perfectly matches your vision. This initial step is crucial for setting the right foundation for your online presence. Now that you have your template, it's time to personalize your site. Jimdo's editor allows you to easily change colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand. You can add new pages for different topics, like an About Us or Contact page. The drag and drop functionality makes adding text, images, and videos incredibly simple, giving you full creative control without needing any coding knowledge. With your design in place, focus on populating your site with compelling content. Uploading your best images and videos will make your pages more dynamic and appealing. Jimdo also provides tools to add interactive elements, such as a contact form for customer inquiries or a map to show your location. Remember to craft clear, concise text that informs and engages your audience effectively. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire website. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. Once you're confident everything looks perfect, you can connect a custom domain name to give your site a professional touch. Finally, hit the Publish button, and your new Jimdo website will be live for the world to see. Congratulations on creating your online presence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.